Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Ooh, Happy New Year to you all. I wanted to come out this morning and share with you all my roses. They are gorgeous. I have never seen them so big. I've never seen my roses so big. Yeah. And they are continuously growing. Yeah, this is the tallest they've gotten, and they're just growing. They are just growing. I'm excited. Yeah. I hope you all are having a beautiful morning. As you all can see by the green stakes here, I've been working. Jody and I did this yesterday evening. Now, I do have some more left down there. I purchased 6 of these poles. They are 6 feet tall each. And so I had my little bamboo trellis. But I realized for all of the vegetables I'm going to have on this trellis, it wouldn't be stable enough, right? So we're going to have to push these more into the ground like this one here is. But I'm gonna share with you all the things that I did on yesterday, and just me working and planning my garden for spring. Yeah. But first, guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Good morning. With a big cup of coffee. I will start tomorrow. Well, it depends on how the weather lasts. This is my middle bed, and I will be harvesting everything from this bed, everything except this baby, this beautiful celery. She's gonna stay. She's gonna stay. This is her home. Yeah, I'm gonna let her stay. But all the other vegetables, I'm gonna harvest them. All the ones that it's good for me eating. As you can see, this baby is bolting. But that's okay, because I'm gonna eat those leaves. Everything that is good for me to consume, I'm gonna chop it up, and I'm gonna cook it for my New Year's meal. And everything that is not, it is going into the super juice. Yeah. So it will be these vegetables. So I'm getting them all ready now, but these, they're going. Now this dill, I'm gonna let her stay. I'm gonna let her stay right here. The onions, I'm gonna take these in and I'm gonna chop them up, put them in freezer bag, and yep, I'm gonna cook with them. Yeah. I'm going to harvest all of these babies back here. They're going. They're going. They're gonna go in the pot. All of the vegetables that's in containers will stay. You know, they got their home. They fine. All of that is staying. I pruned my hibiscus tree plants, and this is some of the plants I just stuck in the I stuck in some pots, but this is another deal, and I have some more here, and I think this is some mint here, and this is celery here, and I'm gonna just find a better pot for them. Yeah, a better pot. And a bigger pot for these guys. There's 2 of them here. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, I'm gonna put them in their own pots. Get them out this way. Yeah. And I'll let this one stay for right now. Sorry, babies, but y'all gonna go. You're gonna go. But right now, I'm gonna just let it stay since it's in a pot. It's not bothering anybody, and it's not in my way. Cool. This is one of my in beds that I had tomato plants in last season. And there's mustard greens, collard greens, mustard greens, and I'm gonna take all of them out, clean what I'm gonna eat, and super juice the rest. I'm gonna take up the onions here. Yeah, I can't do that. Everybody gonna come up. I'm gonna put this in a pot. But all of the onions back there, and there's some leeks back there also. And I may find a pot for these broccoli raabs right there. And this baby, I may. But one way or another, though, she got to move from there. Yeah. And I have carrots in this bed. And I'm thinking I may leave them for right now, just at the moment. But I may just put them in a pot. But I want to get this bed all fertilized up, put some more soil in it, and have both of them, all three of these beds, waiting for me. Yeah, I want them waiting for me. Because in this bed, both of these beds, I will plant tomatoes. All right? This tomato is going to be here. This bed, it will be all peppers. All the peppers are going to go here. Yeah. My onions and my garlics, they will stay until it is time for me to harvest. And so they're not going anywhere. They're just going to be right here doing their thing. And over here, I don't know yet. I'm going to figure it out. Yeah. This side of the garden, I'm putting up some trellises now. I'm going to plant my cucumbers. All of my cucumbers and beans, that climbing beans. I'm gonna have the trellis from all the way down. It's gonna be nothing but trellis with cucumbers and climbing beans, and anything that climbs, yeah, they're gonna go over here. Here I will have more peppers growing here. So all of these babies are coming out, and I'm gonna eat them. Yes. All right, guys, so I took that this bamboo trellis down. So I have these poles here. So I had 6 of them. I'm only using 3. I had my girl helping me, Jody, and we put these 3 in the ground, and I'm gonna put the fencing on this, and it's gonna work out. Looks wonderful. I love it. Thank you, Jody. All right. Hey guys, it is it's getting late in the evening. That's what it is. And Jody has gone home. Yeah. I always have a great time when Jody's here. We do. We both do. And I know she enjoys herself too. Yeah. But I'm going to take, I have another, this is a Chinese pink celery. So I have one growing in this little bed here. And I'm going to move her. I wanted to put her in a bigger pot and put both of them in that little one I have over there, but I think I'm gonna just put her in here, cleaning her up a little bit. She's been over here in this bed that I have not been taken care of. Let me say that. Yeah. And I'm so sorry, baby. But I do give her water. That's for sure. I give her water. But, oh, okay, girl. Okay. Just a lot of, all right. So I have this, one of my old Dollar Tree pots here. Just waiting on her, right? So I'm gonna clean her up and I'm gonna put her in here. Let me take this off because it is damaged, so I might as well take it off. So, one thing I want to say to you all is that if you have plants and they're in, an awkward place in your garden, don't be afraid to move her. No, don't be afraid to move them. It's all right. Plants are strong, They're going to be okay. Just, clean her up and move her. Yeah, just move her. She'll be all right. Ever since the dog came in my yard, I'm always paying attention to what's around me now. I really am. That dog taught me a wonderful lesson, I tell you. So I always think when something happened like that, they're teaching you a lesson for something, something. So I thank him. Yeah, I thank the buddy. But I don't think he's gonna come back though. But if he do, Yeah, all right, there she is. So I'm gonna give her some nourishment. I'm gonna hit her up good. I'm gonna hit her with a 511 so she can get all her beautiful greenery back on her. Let me see, put her up here, but it's gonna rain tonight, y'all. Yeah, and she look kind of yellow, so I'm gonna give her some 511, but look at that, she's still so beautiful, huh? That's a pink Chinese celery. That's what that is. Let me go give her something. Oh, y'all, it's getting dark out here. It's getting dark. So I'm going to get this celery up right here. I'm going to leave the mints in here until in the morning. I don't want the possums to catch me out here. The possums go catch me out here tonight. So I did mix up some 511 with some super juice. And I have both of them here. There they are. So let me go get this juice. All right. So here's my super juice and 511. Give them a good dose. Well, tonight it may start raining, but they will have some nourishment. So let me give them a little something since I interrupt them. Don't. As well give everybody a little bit before the weather comes. Dark out here. So I have one more cabbage I want to put in a container. And I'm gonna put my my tree collards in a container also. So you want some, baby? Here you go. You can have a little something. Oh, let's give some to the fruit trees. Yeah. You can have a little bit. That's the purple. I gotta get that pak choi from around this tree. That's my fig tree. my little Jada, and this is the gold. All right, I'm going inside.